Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this lovely box from the Happy Planner. This is my latest squad box and it is the Disney Princess Collection. This collection is a Walmart exclusive, meaning it will not be available on thehappyplanner.com. It will only be available at Walmart stores and online. I think it will be available starting November 1st at walmart.com and in the stores shortly thereafter, although I know some of the stores are already starting to put some stuff out. So check your local Walmart for all of these items, and we're going to dive right in and see what I've got. But first, I did get a couple of items that were not in this box that were in my squad box. I'm going to show you that first. I got this princess carrying case, which is similar to the other Happy Planner storage pouches that have come out in the past, but this one is Disney Princess themed. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what's inside. Oh, I think actually this pouch is the front. It's got a little D-ring here so you can hang like a keychain or your keys or whatever from there if you wanted. And then here we go. So we've got a pouch here and we've got two mesh pouches here that can hold quite a bit of stuff. I've used another pouch similar to this in the past and it really does hold a lot. Here we've got another big mesh pouch here. And here we've got a pouch here and a zippered pouch here, and yeah, this stuff holds, I mean, these pouches hold a lot, so I'm really excited about that. And then I also got this little peace sign. I believe this is just a sticker. You can put it on anything. I like that. Okay, so now let's look in here. I did already take a peek because really, I was just too excited. So I opened it as soon as it got here yesterday and I didn't know when I was gonna get a chance to film this video. So I just was a little impatient. So here it says, "You are made of magic." And there's this little card here that talks about this release. So yes, launching 11/1 on walmart.com and in stores 11/16. So there you have it. All right, pretty purple tissue paper. So let's take a look. Let me get this right in the middle of the frame there. So we've got a planner companion pack with a bunch of accessories. We've got Mulan, Belle, and Jasmine on the front here. I believe that's just the big folder. So big storage folder. Then we've got a vision board, dry erase boards, note paper, some envelopes, another pocket folder, a gummed paper pad, and more plastic envelopes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open everything up as I unbox this so we can take a look at everything. So actually I'm gonna put this to the side so it's not getting in the way, so we can really see everything. All right, so it looks like this is a Mulan folder. It's so cute, dream with all your heart. These just pop right into your planner. They fit the mini, they fit the classic, they fit the big. And this one is Aladdin. So we've got Jasmine, the genie, Abu. These are so cute. I love them so much. We've got, this one's Beauty and the Beast. This is one of the longer folders. So, I mean, you can use this for all kinds of stuff. You can use it for receipts, for, I don't know, money, pictures, anything you want to stick in there. I keep one of these folders in my memory planner so that after I print photos, I can just put them in here until I'm ready to actually plan with them. It's nice to have folders. And then this one just looks like It's black, it's got white polka dots and little crowns, so it's not one of the particular princesses, it's just part of the collection. So I like that. All right, then here we've got some Mulan dot grid paper, and this is sized for the classic. Oh, okay, it's Mulan on one side and Jasmine on the other side. So that's fun. That's dot grid. And then here we've got a folder. This is sized for your classic, of course. I always keep one of these in my catch-all planner just for random stuff throughout the year that I need to stick in there. And that one's Mulan. And then on this side, I guess this is probably the vision board. So this can go at the beginning of your planner. I think that's probably the best place for it. It just pops right into your classic, and you can write in it, write in these, you know, create your vision board for the year. Let's see, we've got Jasmine, new adventures I'd like to explore in the future, why this goal is important to me, and we've got Belle there, and then Mulan, steps I need to take to achieve my goal. And then we've got some lines here, and then dot grid on the back. So that's the vision board, and then here we've got the gummed paper pad. So this is just a pad of paper, and it's got a rose. And then it looks like this is probably the dry erase board. So let's see, it's got Jasmine and Raja. So we've got some lists here, and then it's like a weekly plan there. You can, I don't know, you can use this for meal planning or whatever you want. You could do a grocery list and then plan your meals out for the week. That's probably what I would use this for. And then just some lined paper here. A little something got on it. Oh yeah, that'll come off though. So I'm not too worried about that. And yeah, also sized for the classic. So this whole companion pack is sized for the classic. I'm just gonna pop these back in here real quick so I don't lose anything. I love these planner companions. All right. Next up, we've got, this is the Have Courage planner. So I'm guessing that the reason why I got that planner companion with Mulan, Belle, and Jasmine is to match my planner that has Mulan, Belle, and Jasmine. So it just kind of goes with the theme. All right, so we are going to actually flip through this right now, and I am excited to see it. I have not looked at this yet. So let's take the plastic off. Hello, beautiful. This magical happy planner belongs to, then here's where you'd write your name. Here's your 2021 and 2022 year at a glance. You've got the princesses here. I also love this like maroon color. The discs are also that color, and they're plastic. And then here's our perpetual calendar that starts in January and goes all the way through December. Oh, how cute! Look at this dashboard. So this is January, important dates, and then we've got New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I know I'm gonna love these dividers. Here's the monthly. Just a little bit of decoration on here. And the spine has the like stars. And then here's our first weekly. So we do have Belle up here. Then we have Mrs. Potts and Chip down here. But then the rest of this is fairly neutral. So you can really decorate it however you want. Just some stars down the middle. are beautiful inside and out. Okay, now we're into February. So it looks like January was a Beauty and the Beast theme, and now February is Mulan. That's a pretty divider with the gold foil. And so we've also got little illustrations here in the corners. I guess it just kind of goes back and forth. Okay, so let's skip to March. March is Aladdin themed. Bravest thing you can be is yourself. This is such a pretty planner. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use a Disney planner as my main planner, but I'm definitely going to Frankenplan and bring some pages in when I want to do Disney spreads next year. Okay, so now we are back to Beauty and the Beast, and now I'm just going to show the dividers. So here we have April, Beauty is found within. Ugh, I love this divider, that's really pretty. And it looks like each holiday actually has an illustration, and we're bringing in some other Disney characters here too. National Pet Day, that's cute. Aww, we've got Rapunzel here with her little pet there. I forget his name. It's late in the day, so my brain isn't really functioning very well. We've got Pocahontas for Earth Day. I love that. So here we've got May, be strong and courageous. June, always have courage. Oh, National Best Friends Day, and it's Snow White with, that looks like Doc, I think. Do all things with kindness. International Day of Friendship. So if you like celebrating those like fun holidays in your planner, this planner's got all the fun ones. Aw, Disneyland opening day, 1955, July 17th. That's a special day for sure. August, you were made to bloom. It's really pretty. I love the colors here. August has no holidays and not even any fun little holidays. Look at that. It's a good thing I know a lot of people with birthdays in August. Otherwise, August would be a very boring month. September, say yes to new adventures. October, always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Disney World opening day, 1971, 50th anniversary. I love that it shows those dates in these planners. November, be your own hero. The 20th anniversary of Beauty and the Beast, the animated film. Oh no, 30th. I'm even wearing my glasses. 30th anniversary of Beauty and the Beast. Mickey Mouse's birthday and Minnie Mouse's birthday. Oh, I didn't know they had the same birthday. Does that make me a sad Disney fan that I didn't know that? November 18th. Here's December. Never stop making wishes. Walt Disney's birthday, December 5th. I'm really just trying to find the Disney stuff. And we've got our notes page at the end. Pretty basic. And here's the back cover. It's got that maroon color on the back cover. So there's our Have Courage planner. Okay, next I've got some sticker books here. We've got 2 sticker books. So this is a big one. This one's really thick. This is 1155 pieces, and then this is 607. So I'm gonna do a quick flip through of these both, and I'm gonna speed this up to some music for you guys. Let's start with the big one. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip through this 607 book. Once Upon a Time. Oh, I guess they have titles. So those were the sticker books. I realized they have titles. The thinner one is Once Upon a Time, and the thicker one is Princess Plans. Okay, I've got one more thing that came in my squad box, and it is this box kit, and it is a mini Cinderella planner. Let's open this up and see what it is. It looks like it's a vertical layout and that there are some stickers as well. I was excited to see this in there because I wasn't expecting this. So, ooh, here we go. Okay, we've got some sticky notes. Let's see, how do I get this off? I'm not sure. There we go. Oh, there we go. So, I'm guessing this comes off somehow, yeah, because this will it's like punched to go into your planner. It's just like stuck on there. Oh, it's just like got the gummy glue stuff, so I can take that off later. But look how cute those little sticky notes are. So that can pop right into your princess planner or any happy planner. Then we've got some sticker sheets here. These, I'm guessing, are all Cinderella themed. Oh, no, I was wrong. So we've got a Cinderella sticker sheet. We've got a Snow White sticker sheet. Oh, and we've got Princess and the Frog sticker sheet. And then got a folder. And we've got a planner. So we've got a little bookmark here. I love putting this in the current week so that I can easily get to my current week. I have one of those in all of my planners. And it says, chase your dreams. And then this says, do all things with kindness. So let's flip through this mini planner and see what this is all about. Hello, beautiful. This magical happy planner belongs to. I love it. I'm guessing it's going to be similar to the classic where each month is a different princess. Here's our Perpetual Calendar, and this has gold plastic discs. So we're starting with Snow White. It says kind. And it's a vertical. I've never planned in a mini vertical, so maybe I'll have to give it a try. Here's February, light the way to your dreams. It's a really pretty divider, and I love all the art on these dashboards. March, be proud of who you are. Okay, so now that we've seen each princess that is featured in this planner, I'm just going to show you the dividers. So, see the good in every day. It's April. May, plans are dreams in the making. Here's June. It says, always believe in yourself. July, do good and good will come to you. August, you are made of magic. September. October, Always Be You. November, Never Be Afraid to Dream Big. And December, Never Be Afraid to Chase Your Dreams. And then we've got our standard notes page at the back. All right, so that completes everything in my Disney Princess Squad box. Look at all the stuff they sent me, you guys. I'm so grateful to the Happy Planner, of course, for sending me all this wonderful stuff. You know, I don't do these unboxings to brag. I really don't. I want to be able to show you guys what I got so that you can know maybe what you want to purchase. And yeah, oh, so much stuff. I'm overwhelmed. So anyway, if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload something new. Thanks for watching. Bye.